Visual Studio Code is a source code editor which runs on desktop and is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. It supports JavaScript and Node.js and has extensions for languages such as C++, PHP, Java, and Python. First, search for Visual Studio Code download. Click the first result, Download Visual Studio Code. In the Visual Studio page, click .deb. Your download will start. After the download is finished, you need to go to the terminal. From your home page on Kali, type ls to display the contents of the home directory. As you can see, the downloads is one of the contents of the home directory. Now type cd downloads to change directory to the downloads directory. Now type ls. As you can see, the code.deb file is located in this directory. Execute the following command: sudo dpackage taci code_1.74.3-167328489_amd64.deb. Once the installation is done, go to Kali's menu and type the application name, which is in the Find box, and you will see it is in the search results, Visual Studio Code. Click it. Click Create Python File button. Now type print hello Python. Then I need to save the file. First, I will create a directory in the desktop and I will name it scripts. I will name the file hello with Py extension. Now to run the script, press the play button. As you can see down here in the terminal, the output is hello Python.